I cook in the house today for the first time. Let's seal the deal. The house now becomes a home. You guys know that I can't do without cooking. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is now what, afternoon for me. I'm giving you a late vlog today because, as you guys know, we are super busy. Today was crazy, but I'm so proud of us because we got so much things done, and yet we have so much more to do. But I'm giving you guys crazy head tie, crazy face, crazy everything today. But crazy is good, right babe?
You just take your day, your times, because we're on the road now.
Yeah, when we're driving, babe won't get to talk to you guys much because these roads are very busy and it's kind of not close but not that wide.
Yeah, you know, we're in the hill, so can't really talk because it's the
right, because we're on a hill and it's a lot of turn. So hopefully you guys can understand that. No talking while driving. Safety first. My little bro around here, we have to protect him and we have to protect ourselves, and it's not good to talk while you're driving. So yeah, we're on our way to get some more stuff that we need, but we've been doing so many things that the time just runs off, and you forget that you eat, you forget that you shower, you forget that you feed your baby. I forget that I do so many things, so much things that I need to do. It just run by. The time, I just woke up and the day's already finished. When you're busy, the time just go by so fast. But when duty calls, I have to get the job done. So I just whip up something really quick for dinner. Wow, you guys, catch my sunrise. No, that's sunset.
Yeah,
I can never get it right. I wish you guys could catch that properly. That's such a beauty. That's the beauty about living on this hill, is you catch everything. The beauty of the airport is right in front of us. The beach is right in front of us. The sunrise, sunset is right in front of us. Everything is just right there. Everything is just right there from the balcony. But on another note, we are so proud of ourselves. We're so proud of ourselves. Our apartment is coming along really nicely. I'll show you guys, hopefully I get to show you guys when I get back, the amount of stuff that we've already done. Most of the rooms already done. Living room is going to take the longest, but it's coming together, and I'm feeling accomplished. Why my blouse look all kind of cuckoo crazy, all these white things on me, oh lord. But anyways, you guys, enough of the yapping, and focus on the road with hubby. And yeah, we're going to see if we get some stuff, and we'll catch you guys when we get back. By the way, you guys, the weather here where we are now and the weather where we used to live, it's completely different. When we were home back a few days ago, outside we have to be in big jackets outside. Inside you have to be in sweater if you don't have the heater on. I have to have Tyler in warm pajama at nights, and in the days I have to have him in long sleeve. Here you are dripping wet, you're sweating at nights, you need AC, you need fan, it's warm outside. I'm in long sleeve because it's late afternoon, but I doubt that I'll need any jacket or any sweater over this. The climate, the weather is just right. It reminds me so much of Jamaica, and I'm loving it. I'm really enjoying this. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying your climate where you are, because we are definitely enjoying ours. Tyler, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? No, you don't want to talk? He's not talking to you guys, sorry. You know when some things just doesn't go according to plan? Please, you guys, just don't judge my hair. I'm sure that I have some locking going on in
You
my
have some
hair.
animals.
Some kind of bugs or animals or something's up in
That's
there.
the one area.
I haven't combed my hair out in
5 days. Oh, about 3 weeks?
about 3-4 days. My hair haven't combed out. It's just been brushing,
So if I put my
catching.
finger like this, it gets stuck.
Trust me.
you don't want me to do the test in front of everybody.
You can. I have no shame in my game. You can do whatever you want. I care
love that,
zero.
man.
No. Go on. It's just that if you hurt me, my left hand is ready for you. And you know I hit very hard, so you know you're gonna get it.
I don't know you hit hard.
Anyways, I'm going to have to detangle this bad boy tomorrow because I have neglected my hair. Not that I've neglected it. We have been so busy. I haven't had time to do anything for me, you guys. We left out just now to go get some stuff done and come back home and hopefully have dinner. It just goes to show that I leave with the intention of coming back soon. I didn't even leave out with the intention of staying out long because I didn't even bring Tyler dinner.
So we
And we were on the road
went to different store.
an hour and some minutes past Tyler's bedtime without his bottle. So I thought that I would have
A miserable baby, but honestly, it wasn't miserable.
a miserable whiny baby.
No,
Good.
my wife was more miserable than my kid.
You guys, am I the only one who is miserable when I'm hungry? Oh my god, look at my hair. I feel so bad for my hair right now. Oh my god.
Don't worry. I'll talk to them. Just tell them you're sorry and you're soon gonna take care of them.
Oh my god. No, but talking about my hair, just take a moment and look at hubby's face.
Never have that beer.
I am with this man for 5 years.
Even if you were with me since
And
20 years.
I have never ever seen his face look
And
the way he's looking right
I never
now.
have this type of beer, even if you was with me with 20 years.
That just goes to show. So one hair is not combed and one face is not shaved. So I guess we're even. We're not even. And the hair on his face tick me when he's
'cause I'm not-
kissing me and
I'm not-
rubbing his face
I'm not a
on
person who
mine.
used to have beer, so there's some place in my face that hair don't go, so I can't really do any style with it. And this is just like you're not the type of person that used to have beer a lot, like in 2-3 days they already have and it looks comfortable, and me it just looks sticky.
It's just sticking out.
I look like a 18 years old boy who just have his first beer, you know, very sticky.
And it's not like the hairs are laying down, it's just sticking out like that, and it sticks you and it hurts. Man, I can't wait. You guys gonna see the difference when he cut his beard and his hair.
Hopefully tomorrow.
Oh my god. Tomorrow should be the first day that we're gonna stay home. And guess what, you guys? I cook in the house today for the first time. Let's seal the deal. The house now becomes a home. Yes. cook for the first time today, so that was awesome. You guys know that I can't do without cooking. And some persons has been asking me what's going on with the cooking video. You guys don't worry, the cooking video will be coming back now that we've moved and we are settling in. We have not yet settled, we are settling. So as soon as settling gets a little bit more smooth, the cooking videos will be coming. I promise you, the cooking video will be coming. I put Tyler straight to bed. I make his butt and put him straight to bed, so he's out completely. It is late right now, it's after 10, almost 11, and as you can see, I'm literally doing this to keep my eyes open to talk to you guys, but I shall be going to bed
soon. And tonight we're gonna change the time. We're gonna pass to the winter time. So some country not doing it, some others gonna do it next week, but in
so
France,
whoever is changing time tonight, you guys don't wake up for work late tomorrow.
Tonight. Yeah, but that's why they do it on Saturday night, so they don't really disturb people.
On Sunday.
Because if they do that in the middle of the week,
somebody's gonna
people just go to school at 7 a.m.
We got most of the things that we went on the road for, so that was good. That was good. Just a few little things that we can pick up along the way, but for the most part, I got most of what I wanted. But you guys, let me show you something that I created today, which I'm very proud of. Look at this, you guys, and tell you guys, you see my view from outside? This right here, all the lights, but I'll show you that next time. Look at this that I created today. Isn't this awesome? I created this today. I just love the way that I arranged them, and it turned out so cool. Everybody surrounding hubby Tyler and I. Yes. So I did that today, and felt good about it. It turned out, I think, a little bit how I wanted it, so that's good. Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna stop the rambling because I'm really tired and I don't want to give you guys a tired vibe. I'm just gonna end the vlog here and we will catch you guys tomorrow. But first, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if it's your first time watching us, and comment down below so we can chat as always. And we will see you guys in our next video.